I am Anastasia Kokori. I am from Greece and I am in the final year. I'm graduating from my university in planetary science with astronomy from Birkbeck University of London. I found about GeoTenerife and Volcanocamp throughout my university. I was really looking for a field trip, a real experience where I can learn some things about volcanoes and field and geology. The first day we climbed to Mount Teide with the help of a telepheric, and we went to around 3,500 meters. It was a unique experience, very high, very fresh air, and the views were amazing. We could see a lot of different volcanic edifices from different angles. We had a very good idea of the lava flow at different places. So we walked also towards the geochemical station. We had a lot of explanation of how different measurements are taken to control Mount Teide and also predict any future eruptions, very important. As we were descending from the mountain, which was around 2 hours and a half, quite a long time, it was amazing because we could see the different distributions of lavas and different ages, and also huge lava balls around 5 meters. We had the opportunity to see the deposits of Montaña Blanca, and as the name implies, all the deposits were white in color, which is pumice. This is the result of a huge subplinian eruption, one of the most massive things you can imagine, and it was very nice to see the difference between the white in color pumice and the dark lavas, gray and the black lavas that we could see higher in the mountain. The other day we visited Montaña Pelada, and this is very close to the sea, the coast. It was quite different from what we've seen the other days. The colors were quite brownish, and we're trying to find out what the composition is. So we saw fantastic examples of hydrovolcanism, interaction of an eruption with water. The other day, we took the ferry from Tenerife to La Palma. We had the opportunity to have a specialized guide who guided us around the eastern part of the recent eruption of 2021. It was amazing because we could see the volcano from very close. We saw different variations of colors because of the gases. We saw reddish, some yellow because of sulfur, and brown and darks. All these contradictions were so spectacular to watch from very close. And you could see also some degassing from the vents from the eruption, and the gas is going really up and almost connecting with the atmosphere. So it was a quite unique experience. We also visited Mountain Tenegea, which is another volcano, again in the south part of the La Palma Island. But this volcano erupted in 1971. And our last day in La Palma, we went to Tacante eruption flows. So this is a very old eruption, and that was really apparent from the vegetation on the flows. So the older the flow, the more vegetated it's usually. Overall, the experience in La Palma and Tenerife with GeoTenerife was fantastic because it provided me with unique landscapes that I could bring on with in my personal research and evolve more. In geology and volcanology and planetary science that I'm studying, it's very important to have this real view of things and hands-on experience. And GeoTenerife provided me with this experience. I would like to say that it was also amazing to have a big group of people from different backgrounds, because we can exchange experiences and backgrounds. So we were all viewing things from different angles. And this is how science and research grows and evolves, by combining different opinions and backgrounds.